subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update from popbollywood.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Alisha Panwar and I will be playing the segment I Have Never Ever. Maybe not naughty, but yes, at times it has happened with me. I was sending a text to one of my friends and galti se, I just sent it to one of the, that person was related to me by, professionally he was related to me. So, sending an informal message to a formal personality, that was like so obvious, oh shit, what do I do next? And, I was so confused कि मैंने सोचा कि मैं, we go, if we WhatsApp something to someone and we go on the option for delete. So there's an option that comes कि delete for everyone or delete for me. So उस time I was so hype, okay, I have to delete it. गलती से मैंने कर दिया delete for me. And now what should I do? Because अब मैं वो delete भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन वो उसके पास पहुँच गए और मैंने for everyone भी नहीं किया. So that was really embarrassing for me. Then I had to send, another message that, oh, I'm so sorry, गलती से हो गया and whatnot. Candy Crush, no. I actually don't like Candy Crush. और मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है Candy Crush खेलते हुए and I wonder कैसे उन्हें उसमें मज़ा आता है because I had never enjoyed Candy Crush. Like I play Ludo, I play Uno, I play other things, but I don't like Candy Crush.
A tattoo you regret?
I'm not a tattoo personality. Like I don't have any tattoos on my body and I don't want to, I don't wish to. So
Asking me to somewhere move out someday. Someone asked you for date. Like this is related to date, right? Gender. Like कोई गर्ल के साथ गया हो कभी आपकी कैसे?
Can you please change the question?
हाँ. Try to be an extra in serial, like overacting extra.
Maybe once or twice. This happens when you are with someone very close to you, with your closest friends. तो आप आपको पता होता है आपकी सारी डिमांड्स पूरी होने वाली है and you are to the core comfortable. तो थोड़ी सी ओवर एक्टिंग आप कर लेते हो, तो वो मैं भी करती हूँ कई बार, to be pampered more and to gain more attention and all. I guess once I still remember because that too also I had to just क्या कहते हैं उसे like मैंने actually वो just torture सहा है just because one of my friends she was acting in that movie, so I had to. Fake number, many times. At times few people ask you for your number and there are moments you cannot regret or you cannot just pass by and ignore also. So at times बीच में थोड़ा बहुत digits change करना बनता है, so वो मैं करती हूँ.
Never tried.
Scare myself. नहीं कभी ऐसा try नहीं किया है, but I can try. It's a nice trick, a prank you can play with yourself. नहीं, never. I remember never. No. Because, even at times when it's too late and I've just come from the party or even from shoot, it's my habit that मैं घर आती हूँ तो I just freshen up, and because we are wearing makeup, because we are coming from work, so we have to remove our makeup and get freshen up, and then obviously it's a routine that you change also. Many times, many times, because at times you're with people who try to be funny but they're not, but then just to make them comfortable you have to laugh. Oh wow, what a joke. And that it was not a proper joke, it was a PJ. I think once that was also too early, like when I just came and I was doing few many shows, so अच्छा लगता था, when you googled yourself and you see that okay what all your work profiles are there, but अभी नहीं, recently तो नहीं किया. बहुत बार I am very bad at remembering names of people Like, this is not a good thing, obviously, but it happens with me quite many times, ऐसे. हुआ है कई एक बार, मुझे कई बार ऐसा भी हुआ है, कुछ एक लोग मिले हैं and I see them and I feel like I resemble them, or I have seen or met them somewhere, or I know them, and they come to me and they properly meet me. Hi Alicia, how are you? What are you doing? And I'm meeting them nicely, and when they go, I'm still wondering what was their name, who was that? So it happens with me. Okay, the gift I've already received. No, never. I've never done that. मुझे अगर कभी फैंस के भी गिफ्ट्स आते हैं, मैं वो अलग से रखती हूँ, संभाल के रखती हूँ. Like, I don't believe in gifting something you've already received as a gift. I don't do that. Not yet, but maybe आगे चल के कभी. Till now तो नहीं. Maybe. Why not? No, I'm saying that yeah, maybe बोला हो, because I don't remember, like इतनी sharp memory नहीं है मेरी, but yeah, maybe कई एक बार बोला हो.